So, okay. I have one tiny problem. Okay, I know that Coherent Kingdom has maintenance over, but I have one slight problem that my brother may hate me for, and it is having pure vanilla, and of course, eclair cookie. Alright, weird story. I got them from a gacha pen pool using cookie cutters. Yes, dumb, I know. Of course, she's jealous because I got the latte outfit. And I wasn't really expecting to have it. I was just expecting to get at least another cookie. And then I ended up getting pure vanilla and eclair cookie. So also I have to spend my millage points on pomegranate. And yeah. So I have nothing else to do about it. Hooray! Okay. Okay. Oh, that's a... Hold on. Wait, what is it? Okay. Just got a bad one. Just one bad one.
Peace and justice! I will not falter! Drink!
Hi, Jace. So I'm trying out the boy team with a child.
Your end!
Can I hear?
Guide your
Yes, he's done. Alright, okay. He's so happy. Did not expect that, so... Seafair, come home, please.
She's gonna get you in your... You're gonna get her in your out.
You're right, maybe. Oh my god, that's it? Oh yay, an anniversary gift. Thank you. Don't worry, where Cookie doesn't bite. It's okay, fair. What anniversary gift? How do you get this? Who's this? You are not welcome in my kingdom. I'm sorry, Katie, you are. Why did I pray? Look, it's me. I thought I had the strawberry outfit. Someone's talking. Why are the others, Who's Parfait? Oh, you. Where's Honey Hive? Someone say Booty Bug Boy. Someone say I don't know.
It's really just...
Honey Hive, I found her. You could either... What? Wait.
Eclairs.
Whoa! No! I'm not getting my video. Hell no. Heck no. Madam Diablo. How many friends do you have? What's your abs too loud? Can you actually see it? No. Yes. No. Bad Jason. Jason, don't do it! Stop! Jason, stop!
Hey!
Oh my god. Jason, mute your iPhone's too loud.
She does the decors, I get it.
Bah ha ha ha, really funny. Wait, what's Honey Hive's gender?
Girl.
Oh, okay.
Because she has a boyfriend.
There's no need to say that, I'm literally recording.
Really?
Eclair! I didn't know you could see Eclair.
All of nature. There's
All of
nothing
it now.
here. Hello, B-Beans.
Beans? Is that her boyfriend?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh. Okay, somehow someone bought this for a reason. Anyways, what can we buy in here?
The what? This one?
Yeah, who bought that?
Me.
Oh. Okay, what else can we do while we wait till we get about gems?
Hello, Guild. Hello, 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 hello. They keep on saying hello, Guild.
Wait, hold on. I want to do something to my guild chat. Not gacha! Guild! How do you change it? That's my question.
Guild name.
How do you go there?
There's but with cat voice.
Oh, right here.
Be happy.
How does it go? Oh, you can. Oh!
Oh, wait, what? Where?
You can change it.
Where?
Just press your character and then you can change it.
Change. Oh, okay. I want my Aurora dreams.
And you're screwed.
Ah, you're flexing
Good
on
luck
me.
in battle. Who said that?
Who said that?
Who said that? Who said that? I pronounce you as. What? Oh, I'm still there. Yeah. Well, you could change the cookie. I'm keeping my.
See you night cookie.
No, I'm keeping. Okay, I'm sorry I threw you. So, how do you change? Oh, here.
Hi, poison mushroom. Be happy.
Hello. Done. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, look, it's me! This is still. Wait, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? You're still. Wait, hold on, wait. Kingdom, then I'll go back. Hey, look! Wait. Send a screenshot. Send a screenshot. Okay. Why are you all for having a conversation without me? Hey, Squibbing! Not you. Squibbing! Here's
What?
me.
You never say this. You never say this.
Excuse me, child. Good luck in battle. You never say this. You cry all the time. Guild.
Oh,
battle?
this is how you level up.
Whoa.
This is how you level up our guild.
Oh, yeah. I've been questioning that.
Questioning that.
questioning.
Questioning.
Imagine someone uses
Questioning.
a very rare cookie. Imagine. You have
Love.
milk here. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Eclair. Someone has the fake one. The fake pure vanilla.
That's
You
not
have
the
the
real
real
PV.
one.
I have the real PV, and I'm looking for him right now. There you are. What are you doing? Why are you all doing all the way back there? There's more. There's a lot more places to go in the kingdom. You two, Vampire and Gumball.
Wow, everyone hasn't been online. They might be kicked out.
No, they are online. Hi, espresso. I forgot. I even forgot I had espresso cookie. Change it. Change your cookie.
Two.
Think of any epic cookie, or whatever cookie you have. I forgot you had an outfit. Oh, I need the cookie that has an outfit too. Hello.
Latte.
Get latte. Yes.
We both have costumes now.
Okay, let me reset my
What?
key. What? Oh, it's an anniversary gift. Yay! I have latte as my cookie of the game. Now go pick up my latte. Do whatever you want with her.
Hello, 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 hello.
Shut up! Stop! Just don't tease my lady. She looks so beautiful. Have fun. Change cookie. Get down there. Okay. What are you gonna say? No, no. No. What do you think of anything that's nice? See this? Hey, it's still pure vanilla wannabe. Wait, let's see if he actually has pure vanilla. Seriously, no. I can literally see you chatting right now. Here's vanilla. Please no. No. Bad JC, stop. Stop. Yes. Enough. You have to like all of that. Okay. I will. Hi, I'm small. Even someone says hi. It's you. Right here making. Aw, good drawing.
Hello.
Swaggy cookie.
Hello.
Who the frick is Swaggy cookie?
Swag and gay.
The mouth. Alright. What the cookie alive? Oh. So, how do you check your guild member? Oh. I check your guild member. Alright, now let's go find the wannabe pure vanilla. Let's see if they have actually a pure vanilla. Hi, pancake. They have a herb? What are you doing here?
I think they do have this.
Yeah, the statue. They have mango. Marvin, AJ, Linda. I hate you, Linda. Vance, Clover, what? Oh, Rose, Fig, they don't have to vanilla. I don't see a vanilla.
But they have this.
What are you? Why are you here? You always swipe my team. You're cool. I can pick up anyone for you.
Just make it the funny one with hello.
So we can change the cookie. Hello, every cookies.
Such a blessed day. Come on, let's have some fun. I see the light
I'm just
in the
keeping
eyes of the
hello,
godly
alright?
makers.
Got that.
We are but the butter and dough.
Oh yeah, I do. I love the bow. It's so cute. Sweet.
Now you're just using my Aurora juice and my Thunder latte.
Because you're jealous of my latte, duh. And I'm jealous of your Aurora dreams.
Hi,
I want squid egg. Hi, hello, Gail. Hello. Gumball, you're not allowed here. I'm in Choco.
They're both saying hello, Gil.
Hi, Alchemist. Every formula should be followed by the letter. Thanks for the gems.
Should be followed to the letter.
Oh, okay, good.
Custard!
Question, can you... I forgot about that! I'm in Choco. Can we drink sparkling snack joke?
What?
Nothing. Heard nothing.
Yes, I
the game
did.
kicked me out.
Oh, this is it.
Thank you.
This is the formula.
Thank you.
Is that your area? Oh yeah. T-Night, your goal is to get T-Night?
Yeah. Or
To get me
Eclair.
jealous?
Or Eclair.
Because I want T-Night.
I want Eclair.
I'm not here for T-Night, but I don't really make Eclair welcome to the kingdom.
Because you just got him. And you
Yes.
want your vanilla, which you also don't want him.
You see, OJ about to waste his bank.
Jump!
Guaranteed epic. Charge power. Okay. I bet T-Night's a charge cookie. Wait, jeez! Dark Choco is a charge cookie! Please don't look at me.
What now?
I said Dark Choco's charge cookie.
How about Teen Knight?
E-Knight, he's also a charge cookie.
Then that means he's in the front.
Wait, charge cookie's at the front?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, Eclair's a support cookie and he's at the middle. What?
Lilac, you made things worse.
Bruh, it's not Lilac's fault that he's also a support cookie and it's not at the rear.
Rare. Rayar.
Hi, Eclair. Eclair waved at me. Yee.
But you still don't want him.
Yes,
Wait.
I still don't.
I'm in a guild.
It's so insane. Boring.
The weather is amazing. Great day. The weather is amazing
Aww.
today.
We're both lucky we have milk. What are you doing with milk alone? We're sparkling.
Oh, I forgot him.
Lamau. No, go with your daughter, Blackberry. Your dead daughter.
The weather is amazing.
Who said sorbet and pancake is allowed here? Especially you, Alchemist. You're not allowed. TV, what are you doing here?
You know what? I'm hiring Milk to do the Jellyberry Ocean.
Now I have 18 epics. Since Eclair, the making sure that PV and Eclair should be leveled up.
17.
Huh?
17.
No, they're 32.
No, mine. No, my epics are 17.
Oh. Oh yeah, because you have milk.
Then you're like, wait, what? Why is it 17 and then Milk?
Won't let you insult his honor.
Bruh, I never got protein.
Protein?
And look, both Ninja and Gingerbread is already a 4-star. Bruh!
What? Here goes
Ninja. Bad Ninja. Bad Ninja.
What?
I never got the new event cookies at my first school.
Huh?
I never.
Someone is a pure vanilla in the guild.
It's you. Really? Yeah, I'm gonna put you up now.
Wait! What? No! I forgot about that! No! Leave PV alone. You're just jealous.
Stay crunchy.
Ew! What is that? I changed it.
Greetings, fellow cookies.
Look, PV's nice, so I have to do it.
Hi, I'm Swirl.
Bruh. Stop. I have 76 gems. Latte, sorbet, and pancake. Chili and Wizard, aka Shorty Man, is up here. I'm changing Shorty Man's outfit. He doesn't deserve to be called Princess Wizard Gnome anymore. Wizard, you're no longer, you don't belong to being called Princess Wizard Gnome. Now you get this. Shabby, do you have gnome? Oh.
I have raspberry.
Hi, werewolf.
My sword for house raspberry.
Wait, you have raspberry?
Yeah. Yeah, refresh it.
Okay. What you said?
It's my sword for house raspberry.
Yes, he has to be greetings.
Yeah.
Hello, Gluckwood 900. Honey Hive, hi. She just went gas mode. Hey, PV, don't run from me. I'm your owner. I'm player.
I'm picking him up.
Peeking him up. Imagine I get Pure Vanilla and Sea Fairy in the same pool. I would be full on Legendary Girl Boss. Because I have Frost Queen. Also, show your move.
You seen this
Chili.
Spicy, red hair.
What? That wasn't me.
then we stop the recording. Bye.